session, today we will learn the multiplication by two-digit number. I will show you two examples. First, in one example, I will show you the multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number. Okay, and then in second example, I will show you multiplication of three-digit number by two-digit number. So here I am taking first example. So here we will multiply 35 by 23. Both is two-digit number. So for multiplication, first I will arrange in a place value table. Tens, ones. Then I will write here 5 ones, 3 tens, 3 ones, 2 tens, and then cross side. Now children, you know what is 23? 23 is nothing, it is 2 tens and 3 ones. So what I will do here, first I will multiply by 3, then I will multiply by 20. So I will show you in two steps, okay? First step, I will multiply 35 by 3 once, and then I will multiply 35 by 2 tens, and whatever product I will get, I will add both the product. So you know how to multiply by one digit number. 3 into 5, that will be 15. 5 I will write here because it is 15 ones, that means 5 ones and 1 tens. So 1 tens I have to carry over here, okay? It is 5 ones and 1 tens. Now I will multiply the digit which is in tens place, that is 3. 3 into 3 it will be 9. Now we are having 9 tens and already I am having 1 tens which I get in this step, okay? So 9 plus 1 will be 10 tens. So we will write here 10 tens, okay? Now we will multiply by 20. And children, whenever we are multiplying the number by any tens, first we are writing 0 in a ones place. Here we are multiplying the number by 2 tens, okay? 2 tens means 20. So I am multiplying by 2 tens. So first I will write 0 in a ones place. Then I will multiply the number by 2, okay? So here it will be 2 fives are 10, 0 I will write here, and 1 I have to carry. Then 2 threes are 6, and 1 whatever I have carried I will add it. Okay, 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. It will be 700. And then both the product I will add. And I will show you how directly we can do here. Instead of doing first and second step one by one, we can do directly here, okay? When we have to multiply by two digit number, we will multiply by one we will multiply, okay? First we will multiply by the digit which is in ones place. Never will start from this side, always start everything from this side, okay? So first we will multiply 3 into 5, that will be 15. 1 either you carry in your finger or you can write somewhere in rough. So you can write somewhere here rough and you can do the rough work, okay? So first 5 is a 15 and 1 I have carried over here, okay? Now 3 3s are 9 and then 1 I will add here. 9 plus 1 it will be 10. Now we have to multiply the digit which is in tens place. Means we have to multiply by 2 tens. And whenever we are multiplying by the tens, first we have to write 0 in ones place, okay? Otherwise you please remember that it is the rule only. So whenever we have to multiply the digit which is in tens place, we will write 0 in ones place. So first step we have to write here 0. Nothing we have to do. We have to write 0 in a ones place. Now we will start the multiplication. And you know how to multiply? Always we are multiplying from this hand side. First we are multiplying with the ones place digit, then tens place digit. Same rule we will apply here. Only we have to write 0 in ones place. Only that much more we have to do. Okay. Now 2 5s are 10. 0 I will write here and 1 I have to carry. What I have to carry? 1 I have to carry. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6 and plus 1 it will be 7. Then I will add. We have to add both the number. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 7 plus 1 will be 8. So our answer is 805. Now I will tell you some technical names, okay, some terms of multiplication. When we are multiplying two numbers, the number which is being multiplied is known as multiplicand, okay. The number which is being multiplied is known as multiplicand. And the number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is known as multiplier. So this number will be known as multiplier. And the answer what we will get will be known as product. So the number which is being multiplied, okay, is known as multiplicand, and the number by which multiplicand is multiplied, okay, that is known as multiplier, and the answer is product. So here we will learn the multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number. One more example I am taking here. We will multiply the three-digit number by two-digit number. So here 212 we will multiply by 33. This is another example. We have taken example 2. First I will arrange in a place value table 100, tens, ones. So it is 200, 1 tens and 2 ones. Either you can write from this side only 2 ones, 1 tens and 200. Then we will write here 33. We have to multiply by 33. Here I will not show you in a two-step. Directly we will multiply here. Okay. So first we will multiply the number which is in ones place. Here in both place there is a 3 only. In the tens place also there is a 3, and the one place also there is a 3. So you please remember that we have to multiply the number which is in ones place. So we will multiply from here. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 will be 6. Then 3 into 1 will be 3. Then 3 into 2 will be 6. Now we have to multiply the number which is in tens place. Means we have to multiply by 3 tens. And for that, what is the rule I said? First we have to write 0 below the ones place. Then we will start multiplication. So first I have written 0. Then I will start here. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. And then 3 2s are 6. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Now we will add both the number here. 6 plus 0 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. And here it will be 6. So answer is 6996. And again, recall what we used to say this number. This is known as multiplicand. This is known as multiplier. And the answer is known as product. Thank you, children.